Hey, but serious, and sooner a tower cry has say no chale who pow. When him say, as I'm talking to you now, so it all. Say, see, me as our broadcast win so it all. Made that sorry and so it all. I thought, sir, till now, and that's so tall. Now, only my dear you. And so na tona wura baby ano warehouse bi anso no wura ho a eye mu ne ma pie no Ghana for bi hu ne se omanya free food free items and the penny be hwe enkrofo na abodom pim no mo fania my fum and so mu. This is Ghana. You be hear mu video na and there Ashanti governor Chairman Wontumi eko PM wo court nde. Yeah, Chairman Wontumi go PM wo court. Na BBC ewo court honde. Chairman Wontumi say adrobian kadem. Chairman Wontumi say yenka nchira wiase nyina ne say why fully prepared for 3rd July enti adrobian nya den enka dem. We Chairman Wontumi ensem no. Abone bede abede ibrem. Now yenko yeni. Okay.
Yo yate. I said yo yate. Today go do what? You know you like me by the year. You don't be serious. Where are the pampers? Charlie. So much to take home. Boys be didi yet your my moi de bia ye bompa se bibi se besi na yatima didi me kan obi ti baby bompa se tanka bi benya nkwanhia na fuel na pai na ehwie no ma be so bi de bia Accra Kumasi highway so ye hu every day de bia tanka ka kwakwanya nkwanhia e ho na nkrofo adidi ba no mako bufu weli na wo kono se mans kakra power ho a obehis ebetutu se nam che risk as ankrofo we take you ensu a e fa nipa no wo modi atiki sa risk we gina mu esesa niama menim se ye drink so ye biscuit o se ye bread o ade o musisa no kra me hege we menim ade o kra menim ade kro as a biscuit se den you see. As I'm talking to you now, Shadi Asu Alaju Sia Alaju. 2 people electrocuted following flooding in Alaju. Once in 22 ton of flood in Kosono, not just a tender strike so it's boom. And through that na electricity power I had a community me no just say kania komanipa mienu ewo ho menim se omunsa na ekoso kania no mu se nsuo no bom na bi be fam na kania no just light na to pity omuso se de you but yes light akunipa mienu following this flooding ewo ala you say na omu wo nsuo no so na omu kɔ na o so ade mu no wakoso light wire mu so ye ntimi nkire but you see electricity yeah akunipa mienu ewo eye alajo enkran haya na ekoso ho no omo Accra Central ne de enso etosa na mesuro mo ye de yempa ehu asem ye ni Accra Central nti wonse nkrofo bibre text me binu ma frefrem say ya say flood I say wonkran are you safe me say I'm safe me baby am wo no flood kura suru so be ba he me wa chire o flood no suru so de nan be sia nti omo Accra Central side ho no mo be Accra Central no alajo num kwashiman no kwashiman kura de enhedam ben ho sa alajo kaneshi circle ha mo sa areas no chokonum those areas no adabrakanum yes una mo asemasi nti areho now ye kwayanim Ashanti governor osi Adrobianka dem Auntie, where is that? Yeah, where ah? Hey, it won't be bad. Charlie. Won't be sad, Rubian Cadem. Check. Adrobianka dem now so una dey do for here now so una dey do for here yeah okay after 3rd July no ye be say ade a Wontumi ye no afa na say amfa until 3rd July ye nyina 3rd July nti after 3rd July no ye nyina ye be say sa de we and date ye say and day 29th June 29th 30th 29th 30th 31st no June ni 31st yeah, June 31st nti 30th chinana busumi wewu Wontumi benya nanka 35th no 35th ni wo nti o chinana busumi we bewu and the 29th o china 30th 1st 2nd 3rd and aka 4 days na judgement na abaso in the Monday Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, until Friday by na judgment never pass until and my judgment na de chia na ye ne Ghana and Colombia match never pass okay me say one can you ba third no ya my judgment na ade chia na ye ne Colombia for abon because Ghana and Colombia match ni Saturday and in fact Sunday kura sana me kan yeah, because match in the cost ana yes 1:30 a.m. Game near 1:30 a.m. Maybe let me check. Ghana vs Colombia. 1:30 a.m. Saturday. Okay. And you know Friday and na jude suomu 1 but you no Saturday. And you know that Friday anajua sa Friday anaju no 1:30 a.m. Ntina na ya ura Saturday mu no so na ya anaju de so 1:30 a.m. ena sa game ni be koso ntina friends Wontumi judgement no akwadada nti Wontumi sidie sa Adrobianka dem what you say Mummy za Wontumi zari ya say Hey, God. Ghana. What does it mean? What's the meaning of it? Anyway, Merende came fantastic. May I say thank you for being part of this great family. Thank you. Bye-bye.